Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover, bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.
What's up, guys? I did it again. I forgot to record a lot of stuff. But man, it is what it is. You guys will get the gist of it. There's like 1,000 videos out there how to do stuff. So today I put my new headlights in. I got the truck all put back together. I still got to do my door jambs. There's some body work I need to finish up, and there's some glue and stuff I still got to get off of it. But I mean, for now, it's good enough for me. I got this popper working. Let me get the keys up. Let you guys check it out. So I got the poppers working now. The guy who originally built this truck, well, I ain't gonna say the guy who did it, but the shop that did it, because I don't think an individual actually built this truck from the beginning. They put door poppers in, but you can't really tell. You can see the runs from spray paint, but the shop actually solid stitch welded these poppers in. They drilled a bunch of holes and they welded all the seams up. The passenger side popper doesn't work anymore, so I actually had to cut this out, pull the popper out, and then get me another piece of metal, weld it in, and fiberglass over it. That's what I was doing yesterday. That's one reason I hadn't done the door jambs yet, because up under this black is lime green highlighter yellow color. And it's going to take me probably weeks to take these doors off and sand every bit of this stuff off. It's got double-sided tape that was holding some trim on, and I got to get all that off. And I'm going to get new trim pieces, these rain gutter guards. I'm going to replace these on both sides. I'm going to get new glass because it's covered in metal from welding. So I'm going to get new glass, which is going to come with new rubber, so I wasn't too concerned about that. The back isn't that bad, it's just metal. I got a razor blade and got most of it out. Like inside these rain gutter guards, it's just got glue all in it. And I'd feel better just replacing it and start from scratch on that. And the front gutters, you can see how many times it's been, if I can focus, how many times it's been taped up and painted over and cut. So I'm probably gonna get a new, not a new windshield, but the windshield pulled out and new gaskets put on, because that's another thing that's gonna aggravate me. I taped up on their line. I don't know if you can see the purple or not, but I just kind of follow their line to kind of keep it all matching. I pulled all the wiper cowls off, sanded those down and painted those black because they're covered in glue and primer and overspray and everything else. Same with the wipers. I put new wiper blades on. I didn't bother taping these up because you can see how many times it's been painted over, and I want a cowl induction hood anyway, so not give me a reason to get one. I need to get new mirrors because this was glued back together. And you see more of the overspray and glue, and see if I can focus how many times it's been painted, and it's going to be easier for me to replace it to sit there and try to spend hours and hours of sanding and wiping. Oh yeah, and this was the speaker box that was in the truck, and my buddy Nick had one he was building and told me I could have it. He didn't finish it, so I just coated it with Bondo, gave it a quick sand and painted it. It's going to give me a little more room in the cab. I got mixed match speakers. This is what came with the truck, but they're not very, they're pretty shallow, so I think it'll work fine. I did go to Walmart yesterday, and when I was there I got new wiper blades, but the battery died on me. I checked the alternator voltage, it's regulating fine, so I'll probably get a new battery this week. Hoping for an Optimum, but I don't know. I just booked a hotel room for mini naps. So yeah, I mean, I wet sanded the third brake light and re-cleared it. What else did I do? Oh, I can show you the That's where I cut the other one out, and I still got a little bit more body work to do on it. Got a little dip right here I gotta fix. It's just dusty. But yeah, well, just keep you guys updated a little bit, because I am terrible at that. I start working on something and last thing I think about, hey, let me pull out my phone and record what I'm doing. Oh, that's another thing I gotta fix. The window crank falls off every time you shut the door. I gotta drill it and tap it because it looks like somebody either JB welded or Loctited a screw inside of it, and I can't get it out. But yeah, that's the gist of it. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you got any questions whatsoever, leave a comment. Got a suggestion, leave a comment, because I'm not too good to take suggestions from people. So I got the box into the truck. I'm gonna carpet the sides of it so it kind of matches the bottom there. Yeah, I know the speakers don't match. I don't care. Yeah, once the seat's back, you don't really see them anyway. Wow, that looks like crap. Yeah, got the old box pulled out. Got that painted and put in. And now, I think I may go inside and get ready for work, since I gotta work tonight. Appreciate you guys dropping by, checking out my little videos. Man, that drives me insane. But you guys have a great day. Thanks.
Walk the wrong place, man. Wear the wrong colors. Make the wrong face, man. Duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man. Hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle. Meant for another.